Jeremy Whittemore from Gonzales, Louisiana. I've been a welding instructor for just under 20 years now, which is crazy to think. So when we talk about the AugmentedArc, the transfer, whenever you go from the classroom to the lab, it makes it so much easier for the students to transition because they can learn the basic concepts. They learn all the necessary introductory things. These setups are never going to replace welding. It's going to be that additional things, be able to gain that confidence. That way they can transition to the lab and then to the job site. Then there's more of the data that they can see from the screen. So it kind of helps to bridge that gap between the different learning styles. The way that we use the AugmentedArc in our classrooms is we go ahead and start them off on day one. We go over the basics. We go over all the necessary things that they're going to have to do once they get into the lab and then once they get onto the job site. The feedback that we get from our students on both the AugmentedArc and the LiveArc has been wonderful. They're more confident whenever they step foot into the lab because they know what to expect. But then the great thing about the LiveArc is the fact that you switch over and you can go to live welding immediately. I'll go and I'll run people through it, and then I'll ask them right afterwards, how many rods did you burn? How many plates did you waste? They're like, oh, well, I think I burned like 4 or 5. I'm like, no, how many actual rods did you burn? And they're like, oh, because you're not using any material. You're not wasting rods. You're not using all this gas, right? So if an instructor's on the fence, that's a great way to sell it to your administration. Yes, there's going to be an upfront cost, but the amount of cost savings over the lifetime of these machines, that right there is the selling point.